Hello guys, welcome back to Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel, and welcome back to another episode of an amazing video where I'll be sharing with you guys some beautiful text effects which you can manipulate for your designs. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I've compiled 10 different text effects, PSD text effects, which you can edit on Photopea. These text effects are password protected. Each text effect is a password protected with its own unique password. So make sure to watch the video carefully to know the password to each PSD file. So let's check into those PSD file in some minutes before we dive into the real video. This is the first text effect, so you have to check carefully to get the password to unset this. And this is the second text effect, which you can also edit on the Photopea site. The third one, this is the third PSD file. You can see these are text effects, are beautiful text effects which you can manipulate to use on your designs. The fourth one, so you can see these text effects are beautiful text effects which you can easily manipulate on your design. So just make sure to watch the video carefully so as to get the password to unzip these text effects. And make sure to like, comment and subscribe on this channel to get notified, and put on the notification to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing